To our achievement assembly. Today we have got many children and young people to celebrate. But first of all, we want to say a big well done to all the children and young people at Sherbourne that have settled in so well over the last term. We really are so very proud of you. So sit back, relax and enjoy celebrating these wonderful achievements. Our first congratulations goes to Darcy in yellow class. Darcy, you've settled in so well to Sherbourne. You are now happy to come in and you're sitting independently in the circle for group time. So well done, Darcy. Congratulations. Now it's a big congratulations to Scarlett in blue class, who has had a phenomenal start to this academic year. Scarlett, you've gone from strength to strength. You've grown in confidence, engagement and the ability to join in with all learning activities. Your class team are so proud. Now it's a big well done to Mary in red class. You have settled in so well to red class, Mary, and you are so much more focused when involved in creative activities. Well done, Mary. We're now moving into orange class, and it's a big well done to you, Daniel. Daniel, you have made so much progress with your independence. You've been getting yourself changed for swimming independently. You've been getting your coat on at break and lunch times as soon as you hear the music cue. And you've also been saying no by shaking your head and signing please and thank you for yes. So a huge well done to you, Daniel. Now it's time to say a big congratulations to Effie in white class. Effie, you have settled beautifully into your new class and you are such an asset to the group. Your staff have said that you've made massive progress when it comes to swimming. You're now much more positive, smiling as you walk down to the pool and you're eager to be there. Whilst in the pool, Effie, you're exploring more, moving away from the sides to collect toys and exploring them by pouring water on different parts of them. Effie, you've also begun to use a new communication aid. You use this every snack and lunchtime and you're independently going to get it and you're learning to navigate the programme really well. Congratulations, Effie, you're just brilliant. Our next amazing pupil to celebrate is Valeria in pink class, because Valeria is beginning to spell words independently. Valeria, your confidence is really beginning to blossom, and this has meant that you're now beginning to believe in yourself more and you're having a go at spelling words by yourself. Huge congratulations, Valeria, well done. We're now moving into green class and we've got two amazing pupils to celebrate. The first one is James. James, you've been working really hard on your one-to-one sessions and they are having such a positive impact on your engagement and your attention level. So well done, James. The second incredible pupil is Eleni. Eleni, we just want to say a big welcome back to school and a massive well done. You have blown us away with all that you've achieved since you've been back and we are so super proud of you. Well done, Eleni. So now it's time to say a massive congratulations to Bradley in purple class. Bradley, you really have excelled since gaining your new eye gaze equipment and you are thoroughly enjoying using your words to communicate and play interactive games. When you first got your eye gaze at school, you were so happy and you were so excited and you've been communicating your wants and needs at home, such as telling mum and dad that you're hungry and thirsty. Bradley, the class team and everyone in school is so proud of you. Well done. Our final Head Teachers Award in primary is for Georgia in grey class. Congratulations, Georgia. You're getting this achievement award because you've coped so well with recent changes in your life and you always come into school with a beautiful smile. You work hard in all of your lessons and you really are a very good, kind friend. So well done, Georgia. We're really proud of you. We're now moving into Key Stage 3 and the first pupil in Key Stage 3 to get a Head Teachers Award is the amazing Eleanor. Eleanor, you've got this certificate for a fantastic start to the school year. You've demonstrated what a brilliant role model you are for our new Year 7 pupils and you've begun to share your thoughts and feelings with staff to ensure you have a good day. Well done, Eleanor. Keep it up. The next fantastic pupil in Key Stage 3 is Liam in 3MB. Liam, you've really developed your independent skills so much this term. You're now moving around the school independently with your rolly, and you've also strived to try more foods this term. And because of this, you're now eating a school dinner every day. Well done, Liam. You really have been incredible so far this year. We're now moving into 3T, and we say a big congratulations to Tyler. Tyler, you have shown continual improvement in working independently this year. Since coming back at the start of the year, you've improved across all of your lessons with your work, and you've produced some amazing pieces of work. So well done, Tyler. Next up, it's a big well done to Jasper in 3E. Jasper, you have transitioned so well into Year 7, recently moving into 3E and settling in there as well. You've always shown great enthusiasm during lessons and when communicating with your friends. Congratulations, Jasper, on your award. Well done. Next up, it's a huge congratulations to the amazing Ricky in 3S. Ricky, you have settled in so well to Sherbourne. You're learning to follow new rules and you really have been trying your best with your work. Ricky, we're really proud of you. Well done. My next award goes to Safwan in 3C. Safwan, you've really been showing improvement in your reading and you're gaining in confidence all the time. You now love to share a book with staff, you're focusing well and you're really engaging in the story. So a huge congratulations to you, Safwan. My next award goes to Kimran in 3LS. Kimran, you've got this award because over the last few weeks you've shown such a great improvement in following your routines and your interaction with staff and students. You're often encouraging others in the class and you've shown a real willingness to complete your work. So well done, Kimran. Keep it up. My final award in Key Stage 3 goes to you, Mamoona, in 3J. Mamoona, you always have a positive can-do attitude to your learning and you are such a helpful and important member of the class. So a huge well done from everybody, Mamoona. Congratulations. So now we're moving into Ross's class and it's a big congratulations to you, Charlotte. Charlotte, you're always so positive, happy and focused with the students and the staff. You've also been doing some amazing symbol and word recognition work. You've been identifying CVC words without the symbols. So Charlotte, we need to say a big well done to you. Congratulations. Now it's time to say a big well done to two amazing pupils in Amy's class. Congratulations, Natalia and Victor. So Natalia and Victor, you have both transitioned so well into your new class in secondary. You have adapted so well into your new routines and you have got some amazing relationships with your staff already. So once again, congratulations to Natalia and Victor. Next, it's time to say big well done to Naina in Kate's class. Naina, you've been working really hard at trying new tastes. During your Around the World lessons, you've been exploring and tasting herbs and spices. Well done, Naina. Everybody is so proud of you. Now I need to say a big well done to all of the pupils in 4A. So congratulations 4A. Each and every one of you have got a certificate for completing a successful Sherbourne Fields angling project. All of the participants on the project completed all of their awards. We really are so very, very proud of how much you all achieved. Congratulations, everybody.
Thank you for fishing. I'm very enjoying for fishing.
I'm going fishing. I got me a line.
Thank you for fishing. I like it.
And what did you use to catch your fish?
Bread.
You used bread, and did you catch some big ones?
Yeah.
Well done, Annika.
And you ain't never gonna be happy anyhow, anyway. So I'm going fishing.
They couldn't enjoy it.
How many did you catch on her?
9.
You caught 9?
Yeah.
And what did you use to catch them on?
Nuggets.
You caught them on maggots?
Yeah.
Well done, and did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Lovely.
I'm going fishing. It sounds crazy, I know. I know nothing about fishing.
You caught on maggots and bread, Shah Jahan?
No,
On the rope, on the fishing line. And did you enjoy the fishing? Would you like to go again?
yes.
You like netting them, didn't you? Yeah? Well done, Shah Jahan.
Peace on the shoreline that could have been me.
Thank you for telling me to come fishing. It was really great.
And how many fish did you catch, Dom?
53.
53. And what did you put on the hook?
Some worms.
Some worms. Can you remember what we called them? It began with a M.
But
Maggots, weren't they? Do you remember them? Did you catch Big Bad Barry?
no.
No. No one did. You're right, Josh.
It's the Big Butt Barry.
That's Big Bad Barry, is it? What do you want to say thank you for, Alex?
Thank you for letting us try to fish.
You're saying thank you for people teaching you how to fish.
Yeah.
What did you catch?
Milk out.
You caught a mirror carp. And did you enjoy going?
Yeah.
It was good fun.
Yeah, I did.
May as well go fishing.
Thank you for having me go fishing. I'd like to go again.
And what sort of fishing are you going to do, Josh?
Night fishing
You're going to go night fishing. Who with?
with Dad.
What did you catch when we went, Josh?
Carp,
And what did you use as your bait?
bread.
Did you enjoy it?
Ashley, then we made maggot sandwiches.
Maggot sandwiches, are you sure?
We did!
I don't know about that,
We
Josh.
did on the last day.
I think we raced them, didn't we?
No, on the last day when we got there.
You made a maggot sandwich.
Yeah.
Was it tasty?
Ugh.
Ugh. Well
Look for
done,
the
Josh.
fish,
Oh, for the fish. Did you throw it in?
put it on the hook.
You put a maggot sandwich on the hook. That sounds great, Josh.
Nothing I do is gonna make the difference. So I'm taking the time. And you ain't never gonna be.
Okay, Callum. What are you going to say thank you for, Callum?
Thank you, sister.
Thank you for the fishing. Did Callum enjoy it?
Yeah.
And what did you catch, Callum?
Big special fish.
Big massive fish. And what did you use as your bait?
Hook.
You had a hook, yeah, but what did you put on your hook?
Big milk.
Maggots.
Yeah.
And did you use any bread?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah.
And did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Where's Andy? Looking at Andy. Come on, where's your smile?
Cheese.
Jeez. Well done, Callum.
I'm going fishing. It sounds crazy, I know. I know nothing about fishing, but just watch me go. And when my time has come,
My final certificate in Key Stage 4 goes to you, Rahan. Rahan, there are many reasons for this award, and a number of members of staff have asked if you could be put forward due to your mature and positive attitude towards your learning this term. Not only that, you've started travelling to school and home on public transport. You've needed very little support to do this, and you were determined to learn over the summer holiday with your dad. You arrive on time to school every day, and you have an extremely mature attitude towards using public transport. Your attitude towards your maths work has also improved, and you're keen to challenge yourself and you want to do your best. Not only that, all of the teachers are saying that your attitude towards all of your learning throughout the curriculum has been really improved over the term. You're such a pleasant young man and a respectful young man to be around, and everybody wants to say congratulations to you, Rahan. So now we're moving into Key Stage 5, and the first student in Key Stage 5 to get a Head Teacher's Award is you, Imi. Well done, Imogen. You've worked incredibly hard since coming back to school, and the highlight has been you presenting your work to the rest of the class. It's been absolutely great to see you with a huge smile on your face and you working so hard. Well done, Imi. Another amazing pupil in Post 16 that we're really proud of is you, Liam. Liam, you really have become more confident this year. You've been sharing your great ideas, both participating in class discussions and during social times. Liam, keep up the good work. We really are so very proud of you. Well done. My next Head Teacher's Award in Key Stage 5 goes to you, Freddie. Freddie, you're going to receive this award because you've been dealing with many challenges over the last few weeks, and Freddie, all of the staff are incredibly proud of you. You've continued to come to school in a really sensible manner and you're becoming really mature. So Freddie, we truly are very proud of you. Well done. Keep going. You've done so well. The final student in Key Stage 5 to receive a Head Teacher's Award is you, Nicola. Nicola, you've got this award because you represented Sherbourne Fields so well on Sunday when we had a stall at Coventry Rugby Club. You assisted Paul, John and Graham from the Wedge Workshop and you really were fantastic. You made us all very proud and you represented the school so well, Nicola. Congratulations on your award. And my final Head Teacher's Award is a special sports award. And this time it goes to you, Jasper, in Key Stage 3. Jasper, you have settled so well into your PE lessons. Over the last few weeks, you have participated in so many games and activities, and you've done this so positively. We really are so very proud of you, Jasper. Well done. So a final congratulations and a big well done to all of the children and young people who have received a Head Teacher's Award today. Keep up the good work, everybody, and next time it could be you.